Just like every chase, crossing gates flashing, and here I am, stuck a block away, at a red light. It's September 2nd, 2016, and CSX is fouling the main on the Palmetto sub at AZA 916.6. I had originally presumed that this was just part of the normal routine, as all moves up the parish spur are shoving moves, meaning that the conductor must alight the engine, pull his train past himself and the switch, line it for his movement, and shove into the spur. However, what quickly unfolded was not routine, as police cars roared past, all lights pointed at the train. I moved up another crossing to get a better view.
Alright, so I'm going to start here from where the bike is, walk back that way to 10th. I'll have one person from 10th right here walk to 17th, one person from 17th walking back this way, then another person going north on 17th trying to check everything.
According to police, as the 65th car of the 75-car aggregate rock train passed the switch, a bicycle fell from between the cars and was run over. Fearing the worst, the train was brought to a stop, and the investigation and possible rescue efforts were set in motion. As the night wore on, the commotion brought out several spectators, and I eventually packed it in and headed for the hacienda. I later learned that the bicycle was placed there by a homeless man attempting to cross between the train and the tracks and had abandoned his bike once the train had gotten into motion again. Just another prime example of why you should be safe around railroad equipment and right-of-way. From all of us at Country Railfan Productions, we say, cross the tracks safely. And as always, happy train watching.